So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Instagram Notes music toggle is not showing. Now, what does this mean? Well, within Instagram Notes, we do have this new feature which basically allows us to go ahead and add our musical note or just add like a line of music within, Instagram Notes. Now, the way to go ahead and do this is by clicking on your plus icon right up here, and you should be able to see a new panel that comes up, which basically allows us to go ahead and basically share or show the song that we're playing. Now, if you don't have it up like how it doesn't show for me, it may be because you are basically just not on the latest version of Instagram. So go ahead and open up your app store just like this, and you basically just want to go ahead and search up Instagram. So click on the Instagram toggle, just go and open it up just like so, click on it, search it, whatever. And all you want to do is make sure you're up to date. Now you can see, this is the perplexing thing. You can see that I am up to date on Instagram. So all you're going to want to do is go ahead and click on update or click on open, but in this case, we're going to click on update, and that will go ahead and update your Instagram application, and you might be able to see that new feature. Now, for some reason, you still don't see it. You can see for me, I don't see it personally on this specific phone, and that is basically because, again, Instagram has two ways of updating. One is via the App Store, the other way is via its front end. So if it's a back end like front end update where it's just the application getting an update, you can basically update it via here. But if it's like a back-end update, like Instagram needs to update their servers or something, then there's nothing you can do. You're just going to have to wait to fix it. So you're basically gonna have to wait for them to fix it. So in this case, if you're up to date and it's still not showing up in your account, you're basically going to have to wait until they fix that problem, and then you can probably address it later on. So that's basically how it's done for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.